Good day everyone, welcome back to Jar Videos. If you are watching our videos first time, please subscribe to our channel. Today, I want to take you on a short journey to one of the most breathtaking natural landscapes on Earth, Scotland. This isn't about ancient castles or cobbled streets. No. This is about the raw, untouched, and soul-stirring beauty of nature. Imagine vast green grass fields stretching endlessly under open skies. The grass is so lush, so alive, it almost seems to hum with the rhythm of nature. It rolls gently with the wind, creating a perfect natural dance ideal for romantic slow-motion shots or energetic musical sequences. Then we have the majestic mountains. They rise in the distance like ancient guardians, their peaks sometimes kissed by clouds, other times reflecting golden hues during sunrise and sunset. These mountains offer a dramatic backdrop, yet feel welcoming, perfect for creating emotion and grandeur in a scene. Scotland is also home to serene lakes, known locally as lochs. These waters are crystal clear, still like a mirror on calm days, and playfully rippled when the wind brushes past. Swans glide gracefully across the surface, and ducks gather near the banks, creating a picture so peaceful and poetic that it feels almost made for cinema. Birds chirp in the distance, adding a natural soundtrack that blends beautifully with the calm of the surroundings. You can spot herons, geese, and even eagles soaring overhead, reminding us of the harmony that still exists between sky, land, and water. For the Indian film industry, Scotland is a dream canvas. Whether it's a romantic duet in the meadows, a soulful solo by a tranquil lake, or an energetic dance sequence against rolling hills, this country offers unmatched natural beauty. It's not just scenic, it's cinematic. If you're searching for a place that offers purity, mood, and visual poetry without needing elaborate sets, Scotland is the perfect stage. The green, the breeze, the birds, and the water, everything works in harmony to create magic. Before we leave this video, if you have been before in Scotland, please comment what is your favorite place in Scotland. If you are never visit Scotland, tell us what is the place you would like to visit. If you enjoyed this video, please leave your valuable comments and share with your friends and family. Thank you.